Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You need your iPhone and the Apple TV on the same Wi-Fi to control it. This is the quickest path. Once your phone is connected, open Settings and confirm Bluetooth is on so Discovery works. Make sure Personal Hotspot is off to avoid network switching. Now add Apple TV Remote to Control Center. Swipe, tap Edit, then the remote icon. This creates a direct control surface. You're ready to pair, move to the next step to establish the connection and use gestures. Open Control Center and tap the remote icon. You'll see available Apple TV devices. Tap your Apple TV's name, then enter the 4-digit code that appears on the TV. This completes pairing. Once paired, swipe on the touchpad area to navigate menus and tap to select. Press and hold to return to the home screen, and use your iPhone volume buttons to adjust TV sound if HDMI CEC supports it. If you need typing, bring up the keyboard automatically. If gestures aren't comfortable, connect a Bluetooth keyboard. Put the keyboard in pairing mode and go to Settings, Remotes and Devices on Apple TV to add it. You can also stream or control apps directly from iPhone via AirPlay or the Remote app for specific content. If pairing fails, restart the Apple TV by unplugging power for 10 seconds, then try again. Make sure both devices are on the same network. One key tip: reboot your router if multiple devices lose Discovery. Network issues are the most common cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.